These are the giant tiger prawns. And what we're doing now is we're gonna cook them without the shell. This is a way of doing it, but you can cook it with the shell on the grill or sauteed or in soups. But we're gonna do it this time with the shell off. So we peel the shell from the body and we cut in the center, and we're just gonna devein it. That's the vein, so we're gonna devein it. We remove that. Okay, we leave that there.
Okay, this is the roe. It turns orange when you cook it. The vein was just that little line that we got out. And the reason we're taking the shell off, just so it makes it easier for some people to eat, depending what type of night you're having. If you're with close friends and people don't mind getting dirty, you leave the shell on. The flavor is supposed to be better with the shell on than with the shell off. And if you find the roe disgusting, you can take that off too. And I'll take that off this one here just to show you. But the roe turns orange once it cooks. Well, this one's the color of the roe, and this one's actually a little bit different than the other one. But you can see the difference between the roe. Some of them it's really dark, but here's the vein. You can see the vein's like a little tube. You can take the roe off completely. Then you have just clean meat, like everybody's used to.
Yeah. Like a lobster tail.
Or regular shrimp.
But the roe, when you taste it, once it's cooked, it adds a little sweetness to the flavor too.
The nice thing is that you keep the head on, you get the wow factor. I personally like the head more than anything. A lot of people like that if they're really into seafood. And that's it.
Voila.
Wow. Michelin star.